Hi dear friends, let's hope you are doing fine. Now we have the question. Can you find the value of 3m square minus 3n square plus 42n if m plus n is equal to 7? Can you find it? Let's go together into the question to find its answer. What do we have? We have 3m square minus 3n square plus 42n. I do want to group this and factorize by 3 because here 3 is. We have 3 into m square minus n square plus 42n. I want to remind you the formula that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This is what we are going to use here to our question. Now, this is clear that we have 3 into m plus n times m minus n plus 42. Okay. Remember the value of m plus n is here 7. Let's replace 7 by m plus n. We have 3 times 7 into m minus n plus 42, and here is n, not only 42. This is 21 into m minus n plus 42, and multiplying this 21 inside here m minus n, we have 21m minus 21 n plus 42 n. This and this will give us 21 n. Here we have 21m plus 21 n, and this is equal to 21 times m plus n. Hope you remember that we've been given the value of m plus n as 7. Now, and this is equal to 21 times 7, and this is 147. Okay. As a conclusion, we can say that 3m square minus 3n square plus 42n is equal to 147. Thank you very much for watching, my dear friends. And before leaving, make sure you also subscribe to the channel. Know that your life, your share are very important.